Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a Python program for Lord Shiva may not have a specific purpose in the context of programming, as Lord Shiva is a deity in Hinduism and not a programming concept. However, if you're interested in a creative and educational example using Python to explore aspects related to Lord Shiva, let's create a simple program that generates a Trishul, trident, which is one of the iconic symbols associated with Lord Shiva. Here's a Python program that uses the Turtle graphics library to draw a basic representation of a Trishul. Explanation: this program uses the Turtle module, which provides a way to control a turtle to draw on the screen. The draw_Trishul function defines the steps to draw a basic trident shape. The turtle moves forward and backward to draw the main shaft and the 3 prongs of the trident. The circle function is used to draw the circular curve at the bottom of the trident. The hide turtle function hides the turtle cursor, and done ends the drawing process. To run this program, make sure you have Python installed and execute the script. You should see a Turtle graphics window with a representation of Lord Shiva's Trishul. Feel free to modify and enhance the code to make it more elaborate or add additional features as per your creativity. ChatGPT